Hello guys and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you that how you can use TonGPT on Tonkeeper. So for that obviously you'll need to have the Tonkeeper app first. So once you have the Tonkeeper app, just click on it and you will be redirected to the wallet interface. Now once you're into your wallet interface, you'll be able to see this browser option on the bottom right. So what you have to do is click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see all of the digital nomads over here, and you can scroll down and see exchanges, DeFi, NFT, utilities, fun, and etc. What you have to do is come under the section of digital nomads and scroll to the right, and you'll be able to see TonGPT. Sometimes you'll even have TonGPT over here, but if you can't find it over here, just scroll and you'll be finding it over here. So just click on TonGPT. Once you click on TonGPT, you'll be redirected to this page. So what is the use of it? That you can easily connect to it, you can pay as you go, you can GPT-4 turbo with voice input. So all you have to do is click on connect wallet, and after that the TonGPT will be installed on your TonGPT on your Tonkeeper app, and it is a personal AI assistant which is paid with Ton, and it will help you with all of the Bitcoin and Bitcoin stuff, and give you updates on that. So that is how you can use TonGPT on Tonkeeper. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.